Hello, today's lesson is about comparative of superiority. We use comparative of superiority to compare two things, two persons, or two objects. We should take in consideration whether it is short adjectives or long adjective. If we have one syllable, then this is called a short adjective, for example, cold. If we have two syllables or more, then this is a long adjective, for example, dangerous. But if we have an adjective with two syllables ending in y, o, le, and er, then these adjectives are considered as short adjectives. For example, pretty. So the rule says most short adjectives, like cold, for most of them we use the adjective plus er plus than. And in this case, cold plus er will be colder plus than, and we have colder than. For short adjectives ending in e, like nice, we use the adjective plus r plus than. In this example, nice become nicer than. For short adjectives ending in y, for example, funny. Excuse me. Alright, we are here, funny. We remove the y and we put instead IER plus than, and funny become funnier than. For short adjectives ending in o, for example, narrow, we take the adjective, we add an er plus than, but here we have another option. We can use like the rule for a large adjective or long adjective, and we use more plus the adjective plus than. And here it becomes narrower than or more narrow than. Short adjectives ending in le as simple. We take the adjective, and here the same rule as the adjective that end with e. But the difference is that here we can use both. Like as if it was a short adjective or a long adjective, and it becomes simpler than or more simple than. For short adjectives ending in er, like clever, we take the adjective, we add an er plus than, or we use it as a long adjective, and for this case we put more plus the adjective plus than. And here the clever become cleverer than or more clever than. Short adjectives ending in consonants plus vowel plus consonants. For example, sad. So let's go back here. So we use the adjective plus the last consonant twice plus er plus than. And here it's become sadder than. For short adjectives ending in I plus a consonant, for example, thin, we take the adjective plus the last consonant twice plus er plus than, And here it's become thinner than. For most long adjectives, creative, the rule is to take more plus adjective plus than. And here, creative become more creative than. Warning, there is some adjectives that doesn't follow these rules. For example, good become better when we compare. Bad become worse. Far, farther or further. Old, older or elder. Let's have some exercise. Come in, friends. This restaurant is... Remember, this is an exception. Better than any other one. I'm getting more and more excited. Excited is considered as a long adjective. I'm going to get my gift soon, a gorgeous watch. He is happier than. Remember? Happier, we remove the Y. This one is cheaper than. Cheaper than. He is getting more and anxious. He applied for a job and he hasn't got an answer yet. I am really glad, even gladder than you think. He is cleverer than I thought. He is very malicious. He is even more good looking than he used to be. We cannot set like better looking because here there is two words combined, so we cannot use the exception in this case. The milk is colder in the fridge. He is slimmer than you. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.